Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, we have pretty much set the stepping stone for the next leg of the bull market to begin, as two of the main driving factors of the crypto market currently are in the green, and the inflow of cash into Bitcoin is also showing a really positive sign. If you look at the price of Bitcoin, it's definitely in the center of the demand zone, close to 98,000, and the inflow of cash from the ETF is slowly starting to go into positive. And the two tokens which I'm talking about is XRP, which this bull market has been the driving factor, as XRP or Ripple is getting a lot of business deals, and Dogecoin, which has also seen an explosive amount of growth just in the last 24 hours. At the same time, there are some really crazy news coming out. First of all, New York Stock Exchange files proposal to allow staking for Grayscale's Ethereum ETF. This could be a game changer. On the second end, Dogecoin eyes a bullish reversal as ETF optimism fuels the momentum for XRP and Dogecoin. Aston Martin announces a Formula One COINBASE partnership paid entirely in crypto stablecoin, and that's why the world's largest bank, State Street and Citibank, to launch crypto custody service. And here's the potential Dogecoin price of Doge overtakes Solana and Ethereum in market cap. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. While there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I just want to show you guys the price action that Dogecoin has been following. Now, I mentioned that breaking the 29 cents resistance is going to be extremely important for the next leg of the bull market, not just for Dogecoin, but for the entire market. Usually Sunday is the day which actually decides, or is the deciding factor in terms of how well the crypto market will do for the whole week. This time, if there is a little bit of a pullback on Sunday, definitely Monday will be picking up, as more and more effective news which are affecting the crypto market in a positive way are definitely coming in. First of all, the trade war between China and the US are finally starting to settle, and that's why it's allowing people to go more riskier towards crypto. And secondly, Trump is definitely calming down. What I mean by that is, yes, he's also being very strict on some certain things, but as soon as he got into the office, there's been so much uncertainty. Right now could be the only time you can say, well, the uncertainty has actually calmed down. That's probably the right word to use. And there are some really good news coming out towards the crypto market. First of all, thousands of IRS agents expected to be fired next week. I know this is not something that's going to affect the crypto market in a big way, but this is going to be very heavily dependent on the way our boy Elon is trying to run Doge. And let me tell you one thing, if more and more people are going to be new recruits, very likely they're going to be affected by Trump's pro stance on crypto. At the same time, Trump media authorizes investing in crypto assets, and Millennium Management discloses 2.6 billion in Bitcoin ETF holding and 182 million in Ethereum holding. That's a crazy amount of money that's been held by these specific companies, and that should give you perspective that the ETF actually has a really strong impact on the overall crypto market, as because the amount of new money that actually flow through the crypto market has increased in a significant amount. On the other end, the Japanese firm Remix Point makes $59 million crypto reserve investment, and out of that money, Japanese energy firm Remix Point has purchased XRP and Dogecoin worth $4 million for its reserve. So it's a very small amount. You can say about 7% of the investment is for Dogecoin and XRP, but it gives you perspective that they're trying to pretty much, give their money to everything. This is going to be allowing for more money to flow through the crypto market. As I've been mentioning, you need to understand Dogecoin is going to be the reason why the market is going to be having the next leg up. Why? There's two reasons. First of all, it's much easier to get into Dogecoin. A lot of kids, a lot of teenagers like to talk about it in school, and then the parents will be curious about what the crypto is about, and if they decide to invest in Dogecoin, it's more likely to receive more money into the crypto market. And that can also be seen over here. Abu Dhabi's Superior Wealth Fund discloses 436 million Bitcoin ETF holding. So this should give you perspective why, if you're a new investor, why a lot of people wanted the ETF. Why did the ETF have such a huge impact on the crypto market? Because the amount of very strong financial funds which are going to be coming into the crypto market because of an ETF. ETF has been trusted by many different branches in the world for a long period of time. And State of Wisconsin Investment Board discloses 321 million Bitcoin ETF holding. Michael Saylor met with El Salvador's president to discuss accelerating global Bitcoin adoption. So more things happening. Michael Saylor, he tried to do it with many different companies, tried to do it with Amazon, tried to come in contact with Microsoft, but now he's coming in contact with El Salvador's president, which has been a pro-crypto stance for a long period of time. They have been investing in it, and now they're trying to have a strategic move, you can use that word, because they're trying to get the more and more countries involved with crypto. And it's very clear why Michael Saylor is so interested in this, as he wants Bitcoin price to do extremely well. And looks like a bullish breakout. I mean, it's very clear to see the way the overall Bitcoin market is starting to move. It's clear they are trying to break out of the downside to have another explosive growth. And Georgia allows state treasury to invest in Bitcoin, signaling an increased institutional adoption and trust in cryptocurrencies. Let me tell you one thing, the way the US market is moving right now, they have no problem with strategic Bitcoin reserve. Bitcoin reserve is obviously going to be helping more crypto market become bigger, and obviously overall everything will make more profit. But the US government prioritized creating a framework for stable coins, because stable coins is going to be affecting their currency, and they do not want their currency to be affected. And that's why stablecoin framework is going to be used to try to avoid people from money laundering and things like that. So that's why stable coins are going to be more important for them right now. Bitcoin reserves are going to be increasing, so therefore there's going to be a little bit of targeting towards stablecoin, but overall the market is still going to be seeing a positive trend. And El Salvador's Bitcoin law update, what you need to know. Well, in simple terms, El Salvador has changed and caused a lot of confusion around the whether Bitcoin is still a legal tender in the country. I mean, the key takeaway are very important. Businesses are no longer required to accept Bitcoin, while El Salvador aligns with the IMF requirement, but Bitcoin adoption may slow down. They have, in the past done that every single business has to accept crypto or Bitcoin, but now they've taken that away to allow a little bit more freedom. And overall market is definitely in a positive trend. You just need to be a little patient. By the way, this was not financial advice. I just like to give my personal opinion. Make sure you guys do your own research, because this is your own money. Other than that, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.